How to fix Cash App Instant Deposit not working. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App Instant Deposit not working. Open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app as you can see here. From there, tap on the Profile section. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the Profile section of your Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. Here, there are various sections as you can see. You can use them to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to the bottom of the page just like you can see here. At the bottom, there are several options. From those options, the one we need is this one here named Support. Make sure you tap on it. The page will then start loading. Make sure you wait for it. Here, there are various options that you can use to get support for issues you face on the app. Make sure you scroll down. After that, tap on this option here named Adding Money. Once you do that, another page appears that has sections related to adding money. From them, go ahead and tap this one here. Finally, this other page appears where various other options can help you find solutions to issues you face on the app. From those options, the one we need is found at the bottom of the page. So make sure you scroll to the bottom of the page just like you can see here. At the bottom, there is an option named Contact Us. Under it, there is another option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. The page will start loading and you will land on this feedback box here. Here, you are supposed to type a short message to the support team and explain to them the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App Instant Deposit not working.